Ascension Sunday. Because when we enter into Paschal event, namely the PDR, is the Passion, Death, and Resurrection. Ascension is the fruit of the Easter time or the Paschal event of Christ. And we are blessed to achieve that peak of waiting, because after this, promised to be fulfilled. And then precisely as we celebrate the Pentecost Sunday. So knowing this important celebration today, the Ascension, I guess the first question, why Jesus ascended to heaven? The second mystery of the glory. Jesus ascended to heaven. If we try to take it literally, bakit si Jesus umakyat? Simply because galing siya sa baba. Diba? Literally. Walang umakyat at galing sa baba. But it is a mystery. Why? Because He's God, we know that. Oh. But why Jesus came down from heaven? Of course, the liturgy of the Advent season and Christmas, that Jesus became man. The Word being mentioned in the Gospel of John became flesh. And Bello Caro Pactum Est. And the Word was made flesh. The humanity, the nature, the human nature of Jesus, He became man for us, out of humiliation. Again, He is God, but out of humility became man, and not only that, He dwelled in us. That's why if you try to recall the liturgies on how Jesus fulfilled His mission, you will amaze how Jesus did on the total allegiance to the Father until the end. And now, one of the elements of the ascension of Jesus, of course, is to more closer, a special relationship with the Father, that He will now unite with the Father, and that unity of love of the Father and the Son will be having the fruit, and that is the third person, the Holy Trinity, that will be sent to us. That's why with all the instructions, with all the preparation that Jesus did on His apostles, He tried to capsulize the meaning and the challenge is what about the ascension. Although there are mixtures of feelings, the sadness and the joy, the sadness of living dead, but the joy of living. I repeat, the sadness of living, kalungkutan ng pag-iisa, ngunit the living, the joy of living, ang kaligayahan ng pagsasabuhay, living the faith. Because we transcend to us. That's why this ascension somehow associated two realities. The reality of the end and the reality of the beginning.